So now let's see how we can work around with the free pen and curvature pen inside a Photopea. So over here on the left hand side, if I were to go around onto the pen tool section, then you can see that there's free pen and curvature pen option right here. So if I were to go around onto the free pen section, you can just go around and freely draw around the path as you like right here, just like this. You can go around, turn it onto a selection right here, just like this, by merging it out together right here, or you can turn it into a shape right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go around and directly choose shape right here, just like this, as you can see right here, and you simply can create a shape right here. You can also go around, choose around the stroke color right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So let's just go around, change around the stroke, and this is the shape that you have. So you can also go around and choose pixels right here. So the layer is not editable, so let's just go around over here, and then you can directly add in a pixel, and the foreground color right here, just like this, simply goes around and gets added in as you choose pixel right here. So that is what you have with the free pen right here. Then you got the curvature pen, as you can see right here. With the curvature pen, if I were to click, then what happens is that it simply curves around without me having to go around and drag around right here. You can also drag around, as you can see right here, and close it around, and you get an entire curve, as you can see right here. You can work around with the path, as you can see right here, and then as I work around right here, just like this, then you see that that is what you have. So you can go around onto shape right here, or you can go around onto path right here. So now if you were to go around onto path, you simply have the path around over here, just like this. Last time you had the shape, that is because I was on the shape layer itself. So that is how you can go around and work around with a free pen tool and curvature pen tool inside of a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe